Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so we continue to be below the 200-day exponential moving average on the continuation chart. Every day they try, every day it holds, and we close below. Pretty much just a great big old doji yesterday, which is interesting. The key for me today is we've still got this 42.12 low, okay? And yesterday's low was a lower low versus Tuesday. So you got Monday here, it's Thursday, lower low versus Tuesday. That really does open up a test of 42.12. And you got a Globex high coming around 56 and change. We've broken the 4,300 area a couple of times. So for me, you got a real opportunity here to take it down and test that 42.12. And I think I don't want to get all hyperbole or dramatic or anything, but the bears need this, okay? And I mean, here's why. We're basically in this wide consolidation all week long. I mean, you're talking about a 200 handle trading range. I'm calling it a consolidation. That's not the case, but it's kind of trading that way. We've come down from the 4800s. We're in these 42, 43, at times 4400s, and the thing just wants to kind of find its way, okay? It's very wide, makes for fantastic trading. This has been a ridiculous week of trading, absolutely ridiculous week of trading. If you've had a ridiculously great week of trading, unless today is everything that you want it to be in a bag of chips, relax, take the day off, go buy a new snow shovel, which is what you can do here in the East, because I guess we're going to get slammed tomorrow, but whatever. And then you've got this low down here at 42.1275 that's kind of planted its flag, and you've had some attempts here, but it really can't get down below. So the reason I say that the bears need a lower low is because if they want to break out of this consolidation, if they want to turn this into something that heads down towards something closer to 4,000, they need to demonstrate to themselves, to the bulls and everybody else, that they can win a multi-day range, a multi-day consolidation range, that they can actually get that done. And it's been a minute since they've really been able to do that on a sustainable basis. And the way you do that is you're able to take things down organically. You don't need news. And that's been the case this week. I mean, there's been news, but there have been times with no news where they've continued to defend the areas within this range and head back towards the bottom of the range. So if we're going to break below the bottom of the range, the only place to go is this 42.1275. And in my opinion, you got to take it out. And none of this 42.12 quarter nonsense. Like, you need to take it out. You need to, put your shoes on, bears. We even bought you the ones with the Velcro straps so you don't hurt yourself, and go down and actually do something. I appreciate the fact that we're trading in 4,300s versus 4,800s. I think that's nifty. It's also profit taking. It's just profit taking. I hate to break it to the world, but it's just profit taking. People have been riding longs for God knows how long, and they took a little bit off, and here we are in the 4,300s. Big deal. We're below the 200-day. That's great. But if you want to progress, the market down, that 42.12 needs to go. Now, what's the flip side? Flip side is they can't get it done. If they can't get it done, then what you're going to see is you're only going to get so many looks at the top end of this range before it heads up somewhere closer to the weekly pivot. I'm not saying that's going to happen today. Chances are on the upside, we stay within the range today. But if you're the bulls, as you get farther away from the Fed and farther away from earnings and things like that, you have an opportunity to take out the top end of this range. If you take out the top end of this range, they're really, after spending as much time involved with the lower Bollinger Band on the daily chart as you have, we always talk about how the E-mini trades, right? Upper band, middle band, lower band. Lower band, middle band, that's the green line, upper band. So, tick-tock, bears. Time is running out. Take out that low, progress to the downside. And then what you'll see is what you're seeing here. See how the green lines are a little lower, every day? That'll keep coming down. And, it's fine. You'll still test the middle band. You'll just do it a hell of a lot lower than 45.71. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe. Be healthy. Take care. Stay warm. Don't bust your back shoveling snow this weekend. Trade them well. I'll talk to you Monday.